Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into Binance, the world's top crypto exchange by trading volume. You'll learn how to create an account and complete KYC, fund your wallet with any available method, trade on the spot market and open futures positions with up to 125 leverage. To start with an advantage, hit our partner link in the description, sign up and deposit at least $50. You'll receive a $100 voucher to cover your fees. Stay tuned. Every step in this walkthrough is broken down, so clearly you won't miss a thing. Binance sits at the top of the global crypto exchange rankings by trading volume and active users. This all-in-one platform packs every tool you need to profit from digital assets, spot trading and futures with up to 125 leverage, margin deals and ready-to-use trading bots. New token launches via Launchpad and passive yield in Launchpool, an NFT marketplace featuring a wide selection of collections and drops. To unlock every feature from P2P swaps to withdrawals, you must complete KYC. Binance offers two interfaces, Light for beginners and Pro for seasoned traders. The app supports over 40 languages and lets you switch between light and dark themes. Inside the trading terminal, you'll find interactive trading view charts and a live order book showing all buy and sell orders. Settlements use USDT, BUSD and USDC, and holding BNB earns you a 25% fee discount and can cover your margin financing costs. Deposits and withdrawals are fee-free via the P2P platform or through external wallets, for example, MetaMask, on Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and TRC20 networks. Binance is the mainstream of the crypto world. Check out our top crypto exchange picks in the video description. Registration on Binance. The process takes just a couple of minutes. After a few clicks, you'll be ready to trade and invest. Follow the partner link in the description or download the Binance app from Google Play or the App Store. Tap Register. Choose email or phone, enter your details, and set a strong password. Check the box to agree to the terms of service. Optionally subscribe to news and special offers. Tap Create Account and enter the confirmation code sent to your email or via SMS. If you already have an account, hit Login or scan the QR code for instant access without a password. Once logged in, tap the icon in the top left corner and switch to Pro mode for full access to all tools, including futures and advanced analytics. To unlock every Binance feature, from P2P swaps to futures trading and withdrawals to your bank card or external wallet, you need to complete identity verification. Step-by-step verification process. Open your profile dashboard and tap the profile icon. Select Verification. Tap Identity Verification and upload one document, passport, driver's license, or ID card. Follow the prompts, photograph the document's data page, and take a selfie holding the document. Submit the form for review. It usually takes a few minutes to upload, and final approval typically arrives within a day. What opens up after KYC? Unlimited deposits and withdrawals via P2P, access to margin and futures trading tools, ability to transfer funds to a bank card or external wallets. That's it, you're all set to harness Binance's full potential. Deposits and withdrawals. Now, to start trading on Binance, you first need to fund your account. First method, cryptocurrency deposit. On the main page, open the Wallet, Deposit section. Select the coin like USDT and the network, TRC20, Binance Smart Chain, or Ethereum. Binance will show your wallet address. Click Copy. Go to your cold wallet, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or another exchange where you already have USDT. Click Withdraw, paste the copied Binance address, choose the same network, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. After blockchain confirmation, usually 2 to 5 minutes, check your balance. Second method, P2P deposit. On the main screen, choose the P2P section. Specify the currency you will pay with and the payment method, for example, your bank. Binance will show a list of sellers. Pay attention to rating above 95%. At least 500 trades. Click Buy USDT, receive the seller's details, transfer money through your banking app, and confirm the payment. The cryptocurrency is held in the seller's escrow account on Binance, making the transaction secure. Once the merchant confirms the payment, USDT will be credited to your wallet. Then transfer them to your spot or futures account via the Transfer tab. Third method, purchase via online exchanger. Follow the link to BestChange. It's an aggregator of verified exchangers. On the left, choose what you pay with, for example, your bank card. On the right, what you want to receive, USDT TRC20. Select an exchanger with a good rate, high rating, and sufficient reserve. On the exchanger site, enter the amount and paste your Binance wallet address. Wallet, deposit, USDT, TRC20, copy. Enter your contact details, email or phone, and payment information. Pay according to the exchanger's instructions. Within 5 to 30 minutes, USDT will be credited to your Binance account. Done. Your account is funded. Let's move on. Now, let's talk about withdrawals. Withdrawing funds is very similar to the deposit process, but there are a few differences you need to be aware of. Withdrawal to a crypto wallet. Just like depositing, go to Wallet, Withdraw. Select the coin and network, for example, USDT TRC20. The main difference? Now you paste the address of an external wallet, like from Trust Wallet or another exchange. Enter the amount, confirm with a code sent to your email or app, and wait for the transaction to pass through the blockchain. Withdrawal to a card via P2P. The logic is the same as buying. Select the P2P section, but now the Sell tab. Enter the amount, currency, and your bank. The difference is that the money now comes to you, from the buyer to your card. Confirm the deal only after you verify the funds have arrived on your card. Complete the transaction with a confirmation code from Binance. Overall, the process is familiar. You already know how to buy via P2P or deposit crypto. And for withdrawals, only the direction changes. The money goes from Binance to you. The key is to carefully check addresses and confirm deals only after receiving funds. The easiest path into the world of crypto, through our Telegram. There you'll find 5 free video lessons waiting to take you from blockchain basics to the nuances of secure storage and growing your capital. Look for the link in the description. Now that your Binance account is funded, you can start trading. The exchange offers 2 main types of trading, spot and futures. Spot trading involves directly buying the coin itself. Make sure your funds are in the spot account. If they are in another account, transfer them via wallet, then transfer, selecting the spot account. Then go to trade and select spot and choose a pair such as BTC USDT. On the right is the form for buying or selling, and below is the order book where you can see other traders' orders. Choose the type of order: market, buy or sell at the current price, executed immediately, or limit, set your price, wait for execution. After purchasing, check your balance in wallet, then spot. To sell, go back to spot, choose the pair, click sell, select market, enter the amount and confirm. Futures trading involves trading contracts without owning the actual coins. You earn from the rise, long, or fall, short in prices. First, you need to transfer funds via wallet and click on transfer to the futures account, USDTM, for example 10 USDT. Go to trade, then futures and choose a pair such as ETH USDT. First, select the type of margin. There are two options. Isolated margin. With a loss, you only risk the amount invested in a specific trade. Cross margin. The entire available balance is involved, so the risk is significantly higher. For beginners, it's better to use isolated margin. It's safer. Next, set the leverage. For example, 10x means you open a position 10 times larger than your deposit. Leverage increases both potential profit and risk. Then choose the trade direction. Long if you expect the price to rise, short if you expect it to fall. Next, specify the order type. Market order. Opens immediately at the current price. Limit order allows you to set your entry price. It is recommended to immediately set take profit levels, to automatically close the trade with a profit and stop loss, to limit possible losses. Always pay attention to the liquidation price. This is the level at which the exchange will forcibly close the trade to prevent further losses. The higher the leverage, the closer the liquidation price. It is important to understand the scale of the trade. For example, with a deposit of 10 USDT and leverage of 10x, you are effectively managing 100 USDT. If the market moves sharply against you, the position can be liquidated and the invested funds will be lost. Now let's explore what Binance has to offer. Staking is the freezing of coins to earn income, similar to earning interest in a bank. Open the Binance homepage and you'll see the top menu with sections. In the list, choose Earn and click on it. After selecting staking, you'll be taken to a page with a table of coins, where on the left is a list of assets. On the right is the yield and types, flexible or fixed, and at the bottom are your active stakings. In the staking type section, choose fixed. Frozen for a month, cannot withdraw the yield at any time, only after a month. Or choose flexible, withdrawal available anytime, but the yield is much lower. On the right, the expected annual yield is displayed, for example 5% for flexible, click stake. Income will start accruing and you can view it in the My Staking section at the bottom of the page. Launch Pool allows you to earn new tokens that are not yet traded on the spot market. On the Launch Pool page, you'll see a list of projects. On the left are the names, on the right are the yields and terms, and at the bottom are your active stakings. To begin, go to the Launch Pool tab at the top of the page. Scroll through the list, find an active project, and click on the name. A panel will open. On the left is a description of the project, on the right is the amount field, and at the bottom is the reward statistics. In the amount field, enter the amount. On the right, the expected reward in tokens is displayed. Click stake. After listing, the tokens will arrive in your spot account, and you can view them in the wallet section and then go to the spot wallet. Copy trading allows you to replicate the trades of experienced traders on the spot or futures market. You choose a trader where their posts and statistics are published. After selecting, you set an amount, like 100 USDT, and the system replicates all the trader's actions. Buying, selling, choosing pairs, for example, BTC USDT. The interface shows, on the left, trader profiles, on top, filters by profitability or market, on the right, statistics, success rate, profit for 7, 30, and 90 days. Follow these steps. Open the Binance homepage, find trade in the top menu, click on the 3 lines, and select copy trading. To the right of each trader, statistics are displayed. Profitability, for example, plus 50% over 30 days. Number of trades, market type, spot or futures. Find a trader with over 50% profitability and at least 100 trades. Click on their name. A panel opens. On the left, a description of the trader. On the right, a profitability graph. Click copy and a settings form appears. In the amount field, enter, for example, 100 USDT. The minimum amount is shown on the right, for example 10 USDT. Choose the market type, spot, regular trading, or futures. With leverage, for example 5x, doubles your profit. The estimated profit based on the trader's history is displayed on the right. Click Start Copying. Trades will start copying, and watch the progress in the My Portfolios section at the bottom of the page. In My Portfolios, each trader shows the pair, current profit, floating P&L. On the right are buttons: Adjust, Change Amount, Close, Share. Click More next to a portfolio to see the trade composition. The Grid Bot is a program that automatically trades crypto within a specified price range, buying low and selling high. You set a pair like BTC USDT a price range and the number of trades, and the bot does the rest. On the bots page, you'll see on the left a menu, on the right statistics, and at the bottom your active bots. Let's break down how it works. The Grid Bot trades on the spot market, placing limit orders within a price range. For example, between $80,000 and $90,000 for BTC USDT. You set the number of grids, for example 40, and the bot divides the range into 40 parts, creating orders for each. The interface shows, on the left, a price chart with the range, on top, pair filters, BTC USDT, ETH USDT. On the right, settings fields, range, grids, amount. Open the Binance homepage, find trade in the top menu, click on the 3 dots. In the drop-down menu, select spot. On the spot trading page, find trading bots. Scroll through the list of bots, find Grid Bot, click on the name. In the drop-down menu, pair, select, for example, BTC USDT by clicking on the name. In the lower price field, enter, for example, $100,000, minimum price of the range. In the upper price field, enter, for example, $120,000. Maximum price of the range. Click Create. In the confirmation window, check the parameters, pair, range, amount. Click Confirm. The bot will start trading. Watch the progress in the Strategies section at the bottom of the page. The DCA Bot is a tool for those who want to buy cryptocurrency without the stress and guessing of entry points. It automatically divides your amount into parts and buys the asset gradually, either by time or when the price drops. This method is called dollar cost averaging. What's the benefit? You don't try to catch the perfect moment, as the market is unpredictable. When the price drops, the bot buys cheaper, lowering the average purchase cost. If the price rises, you already have some coins bought and you profit. Everything works automatically. Set the strategy once and the bot executes it without emotions. That's why the DCA bot is popular among beginners and investors who want to reduce risks and enter the market systematically. On the homepage, click Trade, then Spot. Select Trading Bots in the menu. Find DCA bot, click it. Select a pair like BTC USDT. A panel opens. On the left, a chart. On the right, settings. In the amount to buy field, enter, for example, 100 USDT. In the price interval field, enter, for example, $500. In the schedule menu, select daily. The minimum amount is displayed on the right, click Create. Binance Pay is a service for fast and free cryptocurrency payments within the Binance ecosystem. It allows you to transfer coins to other Binance users and pay for goods and services at stores that support this payment method. Main advantages: transfers are instant and fee-free. You can send cryptocurrency by address, user ID, or simply scanning a QR code. Where Binance Pay is used: for transfers between users, such as friends, partners, or clients. For paying for goods and services, Binance collaborates with online stores, services, and marketplaces where cryptocurrency can be used as a full-fledged payment method. Binance Pay is gradually expanding its list of partners, making it convenient for both transfers and daily cryptocurrency payments. How to use: in the app or on the website, open Wallet, Binance Pay, choose a tab, Send, transfer to another Binance user, Pay, payment in a store. Specify the coin and amount. Enter the recipient's ID or scan a QR code. Confirm the transfer. The transaction is instant, and the status can be checked in the history. WEB3 Wallet by Binance is a built-in crypto wallet for storing coins and connecting to decentralized applications, DApps. With it, you can work with digital collection marketplaces, participate in blockchain games, connect to DeFi protocols, and earn on new Web3 activities. The main feature of the wallet is that you fully control your keys and funds. When created, an address and a 12-word seed phrase are generated. This is your main password. Do not share it with anyone. Losing the seed phrase means losing access to the wallet. How to create a Web3 wallet. In the Binance app, open the Wallets section and find Web3 Wallet. Click Create Wallet. The system will show a 12-word seed phrase. It's best to write it down on paper and keep it in a safe place. Confirm the seed phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. After confirmation, the wallet is ready for use. What you can do with Web3 Wallet: store cryptocurrency and tokens directly in a decentralized environment. Connect to DApps and use them without intermediaries. Participate in staking and farming. Transfer coins to other users. Use DeFi services directly from the wallet. Web3 Wallet is not just a storage, but a full-fledged tool for working with the new Web3 internet. All the ins and outs of using a crypto wallet, connecting to decentralized apps, and earning through them are covered in a separate video. Check the link in the description. How to find and open Binance Academy. Open the Binance app on your device. On the main screen, tap the three dots icon at the bottom of the panel. In the list that appears, scroll down and select Binance Academy. Navigating the learning section. Left panel shows categories like blockchain, NFT, decentralized finance, and more. Right panel displays articles and videos for the selected category. Binance Support offers 2 ways to get help around the clock: live chat for instant answers, usually within minutes; ticket system for more complex issues, response via email. How to submit a request. Open the Binance homepage and scroll down to the support section. Tap chat for a fast conversation with an agent, or create ticket for a detailed inquiry. Enter your subject and describe the problem in the field above, then hit send. Working with tickets and the FAQ. To view the entire conversation on a ticket, click details next to its title. For self-help, scroll down the support page to find the frequently asked questions section with ready-made instructions. We've covered all of Binance's features, from spot trading to futures and the NFT marketplace. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment and let us know which exchange you trade on and what you love most about it. If you found this video useful, support the channel by subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, and leaving your feedback. Wishing you juicy profits and confident moves in the market.